Hello everyone, welcome to Learning Chinese with Teacher Mint. Today you will be learning the must-know Chinese phrases for daily life conversations. I will be teaching you simple two-word phrases that you can use easily in your daily life conversations to express your thoughts and feelings. I will be using how in each of the two-word phrases. How means good, nice, or so. How kan is based on the sense of sight. It means so pretty, nice to look, good looking, nice to watch, or nice to read. It describes people or things. How cool is based on the sense of sight. It means so cool. It describes our own feelings. How ting is based on the sense of hearing. It means nice to hear. It describes sound, voice, or singing. How xiang is based on the sense of smell. It means smells good or fragrant. It describes people or things. How chou is based on the sense of smell. It means so smelly. It describes people or things. How chi is based on your sense of taste. It means so tasty. It describes food. How he is based on your sense of taste. It means so tasty. It describes drinks. How suan is based on the sense of taste. It means so sour. It describes food, drinks, or words. How tian is based on the sense of taste. It means so sweet. It describes food, drinks, words, voice, or people. How cool is based on the sense of taste. It means so bitter or so tough. It describes food, drinks, or your own feelings. How la is based on the sense of taste. It means so spicy. It describes food or drinks. 酸甜苦辣 that means sour, sweet, bitter, and spicy. How tongue is based on both the sense of taste and sense of touch. It means so hot. It describes things, food, drinks, or body temperature. How learn is based on the sense of touch. It means so cold. It describes things or our own feelings. How re is based on the sense of touch. It means so hot. It describes things or our own feelings. How nuan is based on the sense of touch. It means so warm. It describes things or our own feelings. How sai is based on the sense of touch. It means so hot. It describes weather or our own feelings. How tong is based on the sense of touch. It means so painful. It describes our own feelings. How is based on the sense of touch. It means so hungry. It describes our own feelings. How bao is based on the sense of touch. It means so full. It describes our own feelings. How lei is based on the sense of touch. It means so tired. It describes our own feelings. Now is quiz time. For the first question, what can you say after you have watched a good movie? You can say 好看. For the second question, what can you say if you find someone's voice or singing to be sweet? You can say 好甜. For the third question, what can you say if you eat something hot and burnt your tongue? You can say 好烫. For the fourth question, what can you say when you feel that the weather is hot? You can say 好热 or 好晒. For the last question, what can you say when you are feeling hungry? You can say 好饿. Click on the videos above to learn more Chinese with Teacher Mint.